Hi guys, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. I'm going to go through a quick 10-minute flow for you to do. You can do it at work or at home. All you need is maybe a chair. We're going to start standing today, so let's just go ahead and mountain pose, stand tall and close your eyes. And begin to focus in on your breathing. And if you'd like, this is a good time to set an intention for your practice. Maybe something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander. Something you can bring forward into the rest of your day. And on your next inhale, go ahead and open your eyes. I'm going to reach up tall overhead. And bring the hands together in pistol fingers pointing up at the sky. Exhale over to the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the right. Inhale to center. Exhale. Inhale to center. Exhale. Just keep going with the rhythm of your own breath. And one more round. And inhale back to center and release the hands. You're going to bring the arms, or the hands rather, to the shoulders. Make chicken wings. Just going to inhale and exhale back. Just loosening up the shoulders. Getting out any tension that you may have in there. And we're going to change direction, so inhale and exhale forward. One more time. And bring them back to center and bring the arms to the sides. We're going to spread our feet just a little bit, about hips width apart, and just swing from side to side. You're just letting it go. Just inhale and exhale. And if you've been sitting, get in that spine. And we're going to come back to center. Bring the feet in. Come into tall mountain. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward fold. Just come down towards your feet just as close as you can. You can have a slight bend in the knees if you'd like. And you can catch each elbow with your hand and just hang forward. And shake your head. Just letting gravity help stretch you out. And on your next inhale, go ahead and release. Maybe your hands are a little closer than they were when you started. Take the left hand as close to the floor as you can. If you're like this, that is fine. And peel the right arm up towards the sky in a twist. And just breathe. If you're a little wobbly, that's okay. And bring the arm back down. Going to switch sides, so bring the right hand down, peel the left arm up towards the sky. And just continue to breathe, breathing space into the body. And exhale the hands back down. Halfway lift, exhale down, rise all the way up in tall mountain, and hands to heart center in prayer. Going to take 2 breaths here. On an inhale, think let. On exhale, think go. So inhale, let. Exhale, go. Opening the mouth, just letting it go. Inhale, let. Exhale, go. And bring the hands back down to the sides. We're going to separate the feet just a little. Inhale, the arms up overhead, holding the hands together like they're in a prayer. Exhale, take the right foot forward to the front of the mat. Come into warrior two, spinning the left heel down parallel to the back of the mat, or the back of the room if you don't have a mat. And just breathe into this position. Turn the right hand over. Come back into peaceful warrior. Look underneath the right hand. And inhale back up into warrior two. You're going to spin the right foot forward. Come in with prayer hands up overhead and spin the feet out. Come down into yogi squat. Hold it for a moment. Chappie's breathing with us. I don't know if you can hear him, but he is. Then inhale up. Exhale to the back of the mat, pedaling the right foot out into warrior two. Just breathe, gazing over the left hand. Flip the left hand over. Take the right hand, slide it down, and look underneath the left arm in peaceful warrior. Just breathing space into that side body. Inhale back up to center into warrior two. Spin the left foot forward. Now spin both feet out. Come down in yogi squat. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Spread the arms out wide, collecting energy for your day. And turn the feet in a little. Exhale down, forward fold into wide-legged forward fold. You can grab the toes if you'd like, and just grab your ankles. You can just hang here. Maybe keeping a slight bend in the knee if you need to. Any tension you have in that back or in the hips, just imagine letting it go. Now on your next inhale, you can halfway lift up a little. Heel toe the feet in to come together. And rise all the way up in tall mountain. Hands to heart center in prayer. Now, if you have a chair, you can hold your chair here, or you can try to balance. Either way is good. So, inhale the right leg up. And again, just imagine holding a chair if you need to. And exhale, bring the foot down. You're going to pick up the right foot behind you for a nice quad stretch. And release the foot. Again, if you need a chair, you can grab it. You can pick up your foot, kickstand here like you'd be sitting in a chair, and pretend you're sitting down in a chair. Just sit down. You can bring the hands in. If you're holding a chair, hold the chair and just hold the one hand up. And just come as far as you're comfortable. You're just getting a stretch in that side of the glute and the hips. And inhale back up. Put the foot back down. We're going to do the other side. So, again, you can hold your chair if you need to move over a second. Inhale. Left leg up, little wobbly today. Exhale back down. Pick up the left leg behind you for a quad stretch. And release the foot. You're going to kickstand on the other side. So just bend the leg like this. Make sure you flex the foot to protect the ankle and the knee. And just bend down like you're sitting in the chair. And maybe hold on to something if you need to. Release, bring the foot down. Inhale up one more time. Exhale to heart center in prayer. Go ahead and close your eyes. Do a quick scan of the body, see how it feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for coming to your mat today to do something that's good for you. You can go ahead and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking a yoga break with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I put up new content every week. And you can also check out my website, which is DreamSpreeStudio.com. You guys take care, and I'll see you next time.